Hello everyone, welcome to the PHP tutorials section of our channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to receive free updates. Backups are important for several reasons. First, if you accidentally delete a file or make changes that you later regret, you can always restore a backup to get your original file back. Second, if your computer crashes or becomes infected with malware, you can use a backup to restore your files and get your computer running again. Third, if you need to share files with someone else, you can use a backup to ensure that the other person gets the same file as you did. Finally, backups are a way to protect yourself from data loss if your computer crashes or something happens to your hard drive. Always make sure that you have at least one backup of all your important files. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create a PHP script that connects to MySQL database and select the database we want to backup. Save and download the database to our backup file. Create a frontend in Bootstrap where users can back up the database by just clicking the backup button. And to integrate and apply the source code in your projects. The following are the folder and file components of the project. Line 4 to 7. This is the database configuration. Please take note that to replace database name into the database you want to create a backup. As mentioned, we will use the city database for this tutorial. Line 14 to 20. After we have established the connection, we will now get all of the tables in our database. Show tables SQL command is used to display all of the tables in a database. Line 22 to 55. This is the scope of the source code where we will create the table structure and dump the data into it. Show create table statement shows / displays the statement used to create the specified table. This displays the create statements along with the clauses. Line 57 to 78. This is the script for saving the SQL script to our backup file and allow us to download the backup file. It is time now to create our frontend in Bootstrap. Create a file and name it as index.php. This will allow us to execute the script we have created in the backup PHP by just clicking the backup database button. Watch the video demo on how to backup database PHP.
Our song we can sing if we want to. It's my mouth, I can say what I want to. These things don't run weak, 'cause we can't stop.
It is important to have a database backup feature in your system for a number of reasons. First, if something goes wrong with your system, you will be able to restore your data from a backup. Second, if you make changes to your data that you later regret, you will be able to revert to a previous version of your database. Finally, a database backup will help you measure the performance of your system over time. Having a history of your system's performance will help you make better decisions about how to improve it. Overall, having a database backup feature is an essential part of any system. We hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. Wishing you the best of luck with your projects. Happy coding! Thank you for watching. For more free capstone projects ideas and resources, please subscribe and click the notification bell to receive free updates on our channel. You may also reach us on our Facebook page and website.